Hey guys, my name is Moses and this is Programming Learning Channel. This channel is dedicated to programming and here I will do series on different types of programming methods, and today in this video we will see about latching operation using normally open contact, examples of logic gates using normally open contact, and about normally closed contact. Okay, let's begin. In my previous video, we saw about terms used in ladder diagram, conditions for building ladder diagram, and about normally open contact. And now let's start this video with latching operation. Latching in PLC helps the output to remain on even when the input is switched off. To perform latching operation, we have two types: set and reset method and hold in contact method. In this video, we will see about set and reset method, and to explain this, let's build a program. Okay, to get normally open contact, we can either get it from here or we can type LD space X0 and enter. And if you are not getting this comments option, then press cancel and type Ctrl Alt H and again try to insert a normally closed contact. And if you are not able to see the comments under the contact, then go to view and select show comment. Now repeat the same step to get X1, and to get set and reset, type set space Y0, and for reset type RST space Y0. Remember, whenever you use set, you have to always use reset for the same contact. In our case it is Y0. Here X0 and X1 are the inputs and Y0 is the output used in set and reset. Now let's see how it works. First actuate X0. Output Y0 is on. Now let's switch off the input X0. So as you can see, the output Y0 is still on. So this is how the set contact works. And this output will remain on until X1 is switched on and reset is actuated. So in this way, set and reset method is used in latching operation. Now let's see the next topic, that is logic gates using normally open contact with examples. The first logic gate is AND gate, and this is the program for AND gate, and the example used here is safety switches used in industrial blanking machines. Let's start with the program. Here X2 and X3 are two safety switches in the industrial blanking machine, and Y1 is the blanking mechanism. This is the truth table for AND gate. The condition here is to run the blanking machine only when both the safety switches are pressed simultaneously. This is to avoid accidents and make sure that the operator's hands are away from the blanking area when the machine is being run. Now let's run the program and see how it works. If you can see, just like it's shown in the truth table, when we press switches S1 and S2 individually, the output is off, but when we press the both switches S1 and S2 simultaneously, the blanking mechanism is on. So in this way, AND gate is used in this example. Now let's see how the machine works in the simulation. This is the blanking machine, and these are the sheet metals used in blanking machine, and these kind of shapes are cut out of these sheet metals. To start the process, let's place the sheet metal in the machine. The two green buttons are start buttons S1 and S2, and this red button is the emergency button. Now let's start the machine. For that, let's press both S1 and S2 simultaneously. Okay, the process started. And this is the final product. So in this way, AND gate is used in the safety switches of the blanking machine. And before we continue, if you have understood the video so far, then please like the video. And if you have liked the video, then share it with your friends. And if you have any doubts, then write them in the comments. And if you want to see more videos from this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, now let's continue with the logic gates. Now let's see the next logic gate, that is OR gate. This is the program for OR gate, and the example used here is for safety sensors used in cut to length machines. The condition here is to stop the moving parts in the machine when emergency button is pressed or if the safety sensor is on. So for that, I have made this program where X4 is the emergency button and X5 is the safety sensor and Y2 is to indicate process stop. And this is the truth table for OR gate. Now let's run the program and see how it works. When we press the emergency button, that is X4, the process stops, and also when the safety sensor X5 senses some issue in the process, the machine stops, and also when both X4 and X5 is on, the process stops. So in this way, OR gate is used in this program. Now let's see how the machine works in the simulation. This is a cut to length machine which cuts metal rods according to the desired length. This is the pusher which pushes the rod. This is the cutter, and this is the rod sensor, and this is the safety sensor. This sensor prevents the pusher to move further and collide with the cutter. Now all the moving parts are in their home position. Now let's start the process by selecting auto mode and now press on start button. So as you can see, as soon as the safety sensor is detected, the pusher is stopped and it is sent back to its home position automatically. If in case the safety sensor failed to detect the pusher, then we have to press emergency button to stop the machine. And in this case, we have to send all the moving parts back to its home position. And if the safety sensor detects the pusher and if some other incident happens, then at that time emergency button will be used to stop the process. So in this way, safety sensor and emergency button is used to stop the moving parts in the machine. And in the upcoming video, I will tell you how to send back all the moving parts to their home position in case of emergency button is being pressed. Okay, now let's see the next topic, that is normally closed contact. Normally closed contact is the opposite of normally open contact. This is the option to get normally closed contact in WPLSoft. We have seen all these options in our previous video. Okay, and to show how it works, let me build a small program using it. As you can see, unlike normally open contact, these allow the signal to flow through it when they are off, and if I switch it on, it blocks the signal. So we can say that normally closed contact works just like NOT logic gate. Okay, now we have come to the end of this video. So far in this video, we saw about latching operation using normally open contact, examples of logic gates using normally open contact, and about normally closed contact. And in the next video, we will see about latching operation using normally closed contact and about examples of logic gates using normally closed contact. Okay, this is it for today's video. Until next video, stay cool, calm and confident and stay subscribed. Thank you.